How's it going, everybody? Lawrence from Express Unity here, and this video is going to be less of a tutorial and more of a catch-up of what's been happening and why I haven't really been uploading lately. So the first thing is, as some of you may know, I actually ended up getting a new job, and so with this new job I've actually had less time to record videos. However, I want to change that. I want to start making more videos, at least 1 or 2 a week. Like I originally was doing. So I want to start doing that again. I think the last video I made was like 2 weeks ago. It was the animation syncing. But yeah, I've had a few ideas for the channel. One being where I actually start an actual game, a full-fledged game, but I make it all open source. We use PlayFab, and we make some kind of game. I have the GitHub up, so anyone can make commits to it, and we can basically share our ideas and just have this big grand community built game. So that's one idea I was having. Not sure when that'll happen, but it is definitely something I want to do. The other thing is, so I want to do more tutorials than just what we've been doing. Like right now we've been doing like PlayFab, Photon. I want to start doing like more just Unity based tutorials as well. So whether it's just making some kind of like a hovercar system, maybe AI, roaming animals, something like that. So I want to start doing more of that as well. And on top of that, I just want to give every single one of you a big thank you. Like, I think we literally just hit 100 subscribers today. And that's huge for me. Like, honestly, I didn't think I would even get past 50, let alone 100. So, oh goodness. So yeah, I want to thank every single one of you. It is so amazing, the amount of support you guys are showing. You're liking my content. I'm ecstatic that you guys are enjoying everything. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually be creating a Discord server, and on this server I basically I invite you all to come join. Have a chat with me. If you have any questions on any of the videos, if you want help for anything else, code related, Unity related, game dev related in general, I'd be happy to give you a hand. So yeah, I'm not sure if the Discord server will be ready by the time this video goes out. If it is ready, it'll be in the link of the description. I think, you know what, I'm pretty sure it will be ready. So check the link in the description if you want to go ahead and join the Discord server. On top of that, I'm probably going to be making a Twitter account for Express Unity, just so that we can share all the content elsewhere. People might not have Discord, maybe they have Twitter. So I want to try and expand the social network out a little bit to reach anyone and everyone. So again, I thank all of you for the support. You guys have been huge in helping me grow this channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying all content so far. If you guys want to see any tutorials for my next video, which is going to be coming out soon, maybe even like after this video, just yeah, comment below in this video what do you want to see, whether it's just PlayFab, Photon, or just general Unity related. If you want to see, I don't know, how to make some kind of enemy AI, anything, just tell me what you guys want to see. I'd be happy to give it a crack. And if it's something I haven't done before, I'm always into learning it and then showing you guys. For example, I don't know, maybe you guys have found an asset on the asset store. I'd be happy to get that asset and have a tinker around with it myself, learn it a little bit, and teach you guys my general understanding of how to use that tool. So that'll be it for this video, guys. If you enjoy everything I do, please be sure to give me a subscribe. It helps me out a heap. And again, Discord link should be in the bottom of the description. If not this video, definitely the next video. Again, thank you all very much for being here and supporting my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.